A black hole. What is the black hole? Black hole is happening in the space, not in the specific time, not in the specific place. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it may not, and it takes quite some time for it to happen one after one after one in the outer space. And the black hole is a crack of the whole universe. Outside space have a lot of million of universe or galaxies out there, and some part of the silent galaxies, the silence of the universe that don't have any living being live in that corner or that part of the outer space. In the million of the galaxy, in the million of the outer space out there, the silent place that no living being born in there, it's easy for having a black hole. The black hole, it happen in the between of the part and part of the galaxy space, the outside galaxy space, the between space and space having one part, the upper part, the middle part, or the under part, left part, the side, the right part, the left part, in front, behind part that connect to each other, that connected, related to each other, that hold on together, combine together to be part and part together, like a part of our human body muscle that stick together, more like a part of the galaxies, the part of the universe outside, the space outside, that having its own part and part that stuck together, part by part, block by block, like a block after block after block that connect to each other. And when the in between of the block, or in the between of the connection, in the between part and part, another part that connected to each other, that combine to each other, when it crack open, neither the first part or the second part, one part of those will suck everything in front of the whole cracking to another part of the galaxy universe, outside space, outer space. The space outside is mostly like two blocks connected to each other that we can't see the block, but it feels like the gravity of the block makes like a block outside the outer space. Two blocks combine to each other. When the in between of the two blocks break, each of the one in the block will suck another in the another block to the cracking hole. The black hole more like a cracking hole, and it's not like a hole at all. It seems like it have a lot of shape in that black cracking is the real name, not of the black hole. It's not a hole at all. All our eye can see in the far, it looks like a hole, but we couldn't go near into it. If we go near into it, it will suck everything in, even the Earth's planet, everything, the sun, everything. It will suck by the in between of the two blocks of the space. The outer space mostly like two blocks connected, combined to each other. When it crack open in the in between by the first block or the second block that connected to each other, in the in between that side of the block, when it crack open, it will making a black hole, suck everything in front of it, suck it by the gravity or the cracking of the another block, will suck everything into it by the whole outer size of the another block. The gravity of the third block, fourth block, fifth block that connected to the first block and second block, in the in between, mostly like when we go deeper, it feels like one block, second block, third block, up until fifth block. When the in between of the block 1 and block 2 they crack open in the middle of the in between, the gravity of the fifth block, fourth block, third block will pulling the second block that connected to the first block, suck everything in the first block into the fifth block by the gravity of the fifth block to the second block. It will suck the first block into it The stronger of the block, the stronger of the gravity will suck everything of the smallest, tiniest space, tiniest galaxies that couldn't have enough gravity to hold back on the gravity of the huge gravity sucking of the black hole, the cracking open, and that is the black hole. And the real name of the black hole is not a black hole at all. It's a cracking hole of the space. It's not black. Sometimes the color of the galaxy make a shining bright light over and over the hole. It's a cracking hole, but it's not a black hole at all. Only our eye couldn't see the bright light, so we see it black, we call it black, but the reality is a cracking hole, not black hole, not at all. It's a cracking hole of the in-between first block and second block of the space and another block. They connected to the in-between cracking. It will have a upper gravity, strong gravity that can suck the poor gravity into the stronger gravity, like a magnet. The magnet sucking the small magnet into the opening cracking. So that cracking hole is happening in the silent space, the space that's so silent, the space, the galaxy that's so silent there no one live in there, no any born, no breathing living born in there. It will happen in those place. But for the living space, or for the living space from the outer space, it have more than 1 million galaxy or million space. And in that million of the space or galaxies out there, some space having a living being in there, but we couldn't go there. We cannot go there because the gravities of our galaxy couldn't allow us to go anywhere, and our lifespan is short, very short. Sometimes we couldn't learn anything at all in 1 hour galaxies, and then we die, and that's all of our life, human life. So it have a lot of living species in the outer space of the galaxies out there, have a lot of living being out there, but we couldn't go there at all. Don't call them alien. It's just a living species, believing in God, believing in hell, believing in the believer like us, just like us, and then die. And the cracking hole, it not happen in those in between space of the outer space at all. It happening in the silent galaxies. It cracking open in the silent space, the space that there are no living being, no born, no any living born in their space. It will crack open, suck everything useless into those and create new more galaxy. And the black hole, it happened for some reason that perhaps, just perhaps, it happened in the silent space, and the silent space that have no newborn and no living being breathing out in there. So it might be happen in the silent space to suck everything useless in the galaxy out and reveal themselves a new galaxies, a new environment for the newborn to stay in there. And that's why the black hole sometimes it happen and sometimes it's not.